Hey friends! In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this cute, easy to do hairstyle with ribbon. So I started off by spraying her hair with the spray bottle, and friends, I got this spray bottle from Amazon. It was like 4 in a pack, and I'll leave a link in the description box below for you guys. And I do already have her hair parted because I did do this hairstyle yesterday, and I just kept the part so I can do this hair tutorial. And I just wanted to show you guys that I did use the tip of her ear as my guide to where I'm going to create that part. And then today I'm just taking some of this castor oil and I'm gonna put some on the line of that part just because her scalp was a little bit dry. So I don't do this every single time I do a hairstyle, only when I find that her scalp is dry. And now I'm just gonna detangle her hair, and then I'm gonna use some of this flaxseed gel on her edges. And then I'm just gonna get that elastic in there. And now I'm just gonna take some of this ribbon, and I got this ribbon from Walmart for only $1. And I took about 3 arm lengths. I probably only needed 2. But if your little one's hair is longer than Sekora's, you'll definitely need more. And then I just took the ribbon and I just tied it around that ponytail. You want to make sure that they're both the same length on both sides. And then I'm just going to make sure this hair is nice and detangled, and then add a little bit of moisture if you need to. But then you want to split it in half, and you want to make sure that you split it in half, the same amount of hair in both halves. And then I'm just going to take that ribbon and I'm just going to wrap it around the hair. And then I'm just gonna take one of these long clips that I have and I'm gonna clip it at the end. If you don't have one of these clips, then you can use a bobby pin. I'll show you that on the other side. And you wanna make sure that the hair is detangled so that the hair is nice and smooth in that ribbon. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And you want to try to make sure that the ribbon is placed almost identically as you did on the other side. But if you don't get it identical, don't worry about it. I didn't the first time I did this, and the hairstyle still looked cute, but I did wish that it was identical, but like I said. So how I did that, as you can see, I have that left one just hanging down there and I'm trying to follow it as I go down, just trying to make sure that I get it as identical as I possibly can. And then here I'm just showing you guys that you can just put a bobby pin at the end if you don't have a clip, and it just works just as well. And then to create this other part, again, I use the tip of her ear as my guide to where I'm going to create that part. And then again, I used some of the castor oil on her part. And then I'm just spraying her hair with the spray bottle, and then just detangling her hair. And then now I'm just using some of the flaxseed gel on her edges. And then I'm just using this detangler brush. I like to use it in ponytails just because it gets the knots out that the wide tooth comb can't get. And I didn't show you guys that I used 2 elastics in the other ponytail as well. And as you can see, I want to make sure that the elastics are in line with each other. So now I'm going to put the elastics in to make a ponytail. So now I'm going to take these 2 pieces and I'm going to put them over the ponytail like so. And then I'm just going to take the clips out and I'm going to secure that with an elastic. And now I'm just going to take this ponytail and I'm going to split it in half, wanting to make sure that they both have the same amount of hair in it. And then as you can see, I'm just taking half of that hair that was left over and I'm combining it with the hair. And then I'm just going to spray the hair a little bit with the spray bottle just so that it makes the hair look nice and moisturized. And then I'm going to take that ribbon and I'm going to just do the same thing I did with the other part of hair. But what you want to make sure with that small piece of hair, you want to make sure that you get that within the ribbon so that it's not sticking out. So you want to make sure that you wrap that ribbon all around and try to get it as close to the end of that small piece of hair as possible so that it's within that ribbon, it's not sticking out. And then I'm just gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. And now I'm just gonna do this top ponytail here, and I'm just gonna, again, just spray her hair with the spray bottle, make sure her hair is all nice and detangled, and then I'm just gonna use some of this flaxseed gel on her edges, and then this detangler brush just to smooth out the ponytail, and then I'm gonna get that elastic in. And then I'm just gonna take those two pieces with the ribbon in and I'm going to put them over that ponytail, and then I'm going to put an elastic in. And then I'm just gonna cut the leftover ribbon. And then you could leave her hair like this if you wanted to, that top part left out, maybe add some flaxseed gel for a more defined curl, or just leave it out all nice and fluffy. But I'm just gonna be putting like, I think they call it a rainbow bun up here. And before I do that, I do add some flaxseed gel to her edges. And I also added some flaxseed gel to the top part of the hair, just because she does have some short pieces here, and I just want to try to keep it as intact as I possibly can. And now here what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add an elastic, leaving about 1/2 inch at the end there. So I'm going to take that ponytail, I'm going to flip it under, and see that small piece of hair, I just kind of tucked it underneath there so that you won't be able to see it. And I did take a pin and I'm going to put it at the end of that elastic, and I'm going to just flip it under like how I showed you, and I'm attaching it to that other ponytail. And I took a few pins and I just pinned it just to secure it. Now you can leave it like that or put a bow in like I did. And then I'm just gonna add some flaxseed gel to her edges just to clean them up a bit. So my friends, there you have it, another cute hairstyle you can do in your little one's hair. Friends, if you like this hairstyle, please give us a thumbs up. You don't understand how much you help us out in the YouTube world when you just give us a simple thumbs up if you like the hairstyle, of course, and or comment below. And if you're not already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorials. We love you, friends. Bye.